Today at Mobility Solutions, we are unboxing the LC435 XXL. Now this is a big boy lift chair.
Or lady.
Hey, I'm Chris with LiftChairUSA.com, and this is the LC435 XXL. So this is the new Evolution Collection from Pride Mobility, and this is the heavy-duty version of the Sitting Pretty Evolution Collection. So made in the United States. It also comes in an XL version that can hold up to 500 pounds, but this is the 600-pound weight capacity, and it's for users 5'8" to 6'1". This is how you're going to unbox it. So we do have different options for delivery. As drop ship will come in just like this. This is what you'll have to do. Inside delivery, well, they'll take it into your garage as long as there's a 0 threshold. And then white glove delivery, well, they'll actually bring it to your house, unbox it, set it up, and take the boxes away. Cut the straps. And the box, you're just going to pull straight up. This is a heavy chair because this is for someone that needs 600 pounds or 500 pounds. It comes in 3 color options: a Sta-kleen Chestnut vinyl, a Mocha Brown, which we're about to show you, and a gravel gray. It's made in Mississippi. And it's a big chair. It's for a big person. Now they also make this chair in some smaller sizes. The LC435 small, medium, and large, which we did a video on. It has some extra features, a little bit different, but in the same type of style chair. Look at this thing. So go ahead and take this off. On both sides. Now I'm going to put this back to the side just for a second. It just snaps right on. I'm going to slide this around so you can see this. That's a steel frame. So they've really enforced this chair. There's 2 motors that operate the up and the recline. It's just a 3-position chair. So here is your hand control. I'm not sure why they rubber band this, but I would just cut that off. And you're going to lay this like this. We can go to the left side or the right side. Inside of this box, you're going to see your bolts and screws to where you can screw this back in if you need to. Your manual, and it's going to come with a lithium battery backup. Lithium. So let's act like this box isn't here. This is going to go up underneath here because this lifts up. And all you're going to do then is plug the chair into this box right here. And then same thing on this side. Plug this in. And then you're going to plug this into the wall. This light's going to kick on and be orange. When it's green, it's fully charged. We'll snap the back on. I don't know if anyone can see this, but it's just going to slide on. You see a lot of chairs are made this way. It's a big one, so might need some help doing it. And then push it down. And that's it. Let's go over some quick specs.
The extra large, weight capacity is 500 pounds. Seat depth is 22 inches, seat width 26 inches, and top of back to seat 29 inches. In the double XL, weight capacity is 600 pounds. Seat depth is 22 inches, seat width 30 inches, and top of back to seat 29 inches. The extra large and double XL are recommended for those 5'8" to 6'1", with a floor to seat height of 20 inches on both.
1, 2, 3. So we got the chair up at the front. I'm just going to show you the functions of the chair. It's very simple. It's just 2 buttons. There is 2 motors, but they're only doing the lifting. These are the motors on this LC435 XXL. There's 2 of them. All they do is lift, and then obviously they recline. This is your control box. So this syncs these 2 motors together so they know to work together. But pretty simple up underneath here. If you did have to replace these motors, it's not hard. There's just little pins, little cotter pins that holds it in. Replacing this should be pretty easy. Here's your wire that runs down into the box. This is a lead wire. And then this wire right here is going into the chair for the hand remote. Show you how far back it goes. Oh wow. Oh yeah, you could sleep in this. You're not going to get the adjustment, the back adjustment all rotates together like the Cloud Wide Series. But this goes back pretty far, and you can stop this kind of where you want it. So I could stop it here. I could stop it there. Right here. And then I'm going to show you how it lifts you. And this is for someone 5'8" to 6'1". This chair is actually 30 inches between the arms. It's got the full chaise, total comfort. It's nice. This is a nice heavy duty chair. They claim it's going to last a long time. This is the replacement over the Heritage Collection that Pride offered. So they've made it look a lot better. I really like this fabric. It's a Cosi, they call it Cosi. So this chair comes in Mocha, which we're displaying, Gravel, which is a gray, and then it has the Sta-kleen. That's going to be your easy to clean polyurethane. Soft, very soft. That's about it. If you have any questions, if you're looking for a large recliner lift chair, give us a call at 803-926-2224. Visit us at liftchairusa.com. Put in the search bar LC435. It'll pull up this chair. Remember, there's 5 sizes. This is the XXL, and the XL are the same chairs. If you get to the large, medium, and small, that only hold up to 400 pounds. They have some extra features, and there's a video we shot. There's a short clip of it. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.
I'm almost too big for this chair. It's comfortable, actually.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.